But since we're talking about Egypt, let's bring in the pyramids. If you think of Egypt as a normal pyramid, the overthrow of Mubarak was the cutting off of the top of the pyramid. But Egypt was a society in which there was a large bureaucracy, a large state of function, an army. So Mubarak's gone, well, it's mostly whoever it is, the society will continue to exist, will continue to function. It's not going to be easy, it's not going to be pretty. As Max was telling us yesterday, I mean, the Egyptian economy is in terrible shape, there's still going to be uncertainty, but somehow the Egyptian state, because of that bureaucracy, will continue to manage. The other one is Syria, but here, instead of thinking of the pyramid this way, invert it. And in this way, Bashar al-Assad is at the tip of this pyramid, and that's it's a precarious balance. And when that is, not only is this a pyramid like this, it also has lots of fissures. And those fissures are the ethnic and sectarian fissures, which are not, there are problems in Egypt, the Copts and the majority Muslims, but it's not the same way in which we see in Syria. But this inverted pyramid, the moment you cut off the head of that pyramid, which is Bashar, the whole edifice crumbles and collapses. And that is what we're seeing today in Egypt. I'm sorry, in Syria, the collapse of the Syrian state.